Hello everybody, I'm Craig Berger. I recently joined Hedgeye Risk Management to lead the semiconductor coverage here, as well as serve as technology sector head. For those of you who don't know about Hedgeye, it's a really interesting firm. It's a new model. We have a lot more flexibility. We don't have fixed coverage universes. We can publish about what's actionable and interesting today, also work on special projects for our subscribers, and so it really is a different, interesting, flexible, fast-paced model here. Anyways, real excited to be here. I wanted to spend a moment telling you about myself and how I run the sector and kind of what some of the things I'm going to be writing about are. I've been a sell-side research analyst for 11 years, including at firms like FBR Capital Markets and Citigroup Smith Barney. I also spent 3 years at Intel Corporation back in the late 90s and early 2000s, which gave me a lot of good insight into the chip sector as well as how large corporations are run. In terms of how I run the franchise, really there's no single silver bullet. It's a mix of different things to add value. One thing that's great about Hedgeye is we have founder Keith McCullough's macro research and technical research, which helps steer us in the right direction. So I do try to bake in the macro and technical analysis into our fundamentals as well. Beyond that, we like to do industry events with company management teams, dinners, bus tours, road shows, whatever is value add from that perspective. And then we do regular and deep dive topical publications on things that are important and try to have a basket of fresh, long, and short ideas at all times. In terms of some of the stuff that I'm going to be writing about, really it's covering industry leaders like Intel, Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, and ARM Holdings. There's still a lot of interest in the Apple and Samsung supply chains, and so folks like Qualcomm, Broadcom, ARM Holdings, Skyworks, Avago, Cirrus, SanDisk, still doing a lot of work in traditional PC, hardware, comm equipment space. And then finally, there are a number of smaller, interesting growth stories out there in semis, folks like Cavium, Inphi, Silicon Labs, and others. So we're going to try to keep it interesting. Again, really excited to be here at Hedgeye, really interesting firm. If you want to get in contact with me, you can do so via email, sales@hedgeye.com, or you can find me on Twitter at Hedgeye Berger. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to engage, and have a great day.